Welcome all of you. I am Professor Sandeep Vidate, KK College of Horticulture, Nashik. Now today we learn about cultivation of carrot. Botanical name is Docus carota. Its family is Umbelliferae. Origin of carrot is Europe. Some detailed information of carrot is a most important root crop. Gajar halwa is a delicious dish prepared from carrot. Carrot juice is also used. Carrot is a resource of carotene, vitamin A also. The edible portion of carrot is an enlarged fleshy taproot. It consists primarily of phloem or cortex and minimum of core. Carrot plants bear compound umbel. Climate of carrot. Carrot is a grown in winter. It is a winter means it is a cool season crop. It requires very low temperature for their growing period. Next is it is a very high or low temperature is not conducive for root development. Means it is a temperate crop. Carrot produce large roots with good color are sown by the end of October to the November to obtain high yields with good quality of roots. That is we grow the carrot crop in a winter season. Next important point is its soil. It can be grown all types of soil, but best yield is obtained in deep loamy or loose soil. For early crop, sandy loam soil is we prefer, but for large yield, seed loam is desirable. Means for early crop we grow carrot in a sandy loam soil, and for good yield or high yield we grow in a seed loam soil. In well soil should be well drained in condition. Deep soil, long smooth cylinder roots are formed. Soil should be well drained and fertile in condition. Then varieties. On the basis of temperature requirement, carrot are classified as temperate or European and tropical or asiatic variety. These are two important types or classification of carrot variety. The temperate varieties are biennial and require low temperature. The temperature range in between 8 to 10 degrees Celsius for flowering to coloring. Then these do not produce seed in plains. Example nantains. The tropical cultivar do not require any low temperature treatment for its flowering. They produce flower and seed in plains of high temperature. Then some important variety of carrot. First is Pusa Kesar. The roots are long and red in color with small core. It contains high, that is 38 milligram per 100 kg of carotene. Carotene is resource of carotene and vitamin A. Pusa Kesar variety contains resource of carotene. The percentage of forked roots is less and it is late bolter. Pusa Kesar can tolerate high temperature than Nantain variety. Now we discuss about Nantain variety. It is a European cultivar, slim, well-shaped with stump end. The color is deep orange and it has fair cores. It contains high carotene. These are the main features of Nantain cultivar. Next important variety is Pusa Meghali, Pusa Yamdagni. Then propagation and sowing of seed. The seeds are sown either by broadcasting to facilitate even distribution of seed. If the seeds is mixed in a sand, then we give equal distribution of seed in a field. Then seed can be sown on a flat bed method also of a proper spacing, that is 15 by 15 centimeter. In case of ridges and furrows, we prepare layout, that is 45 by 15 centimeter spacing is kept. On an average seed rate for 1 hectare area requires 6 to 8 kg. Best time of sowing of the crop is October to November. Then important manures fertilizer for carrot crop is we apply manures, that is 20 tons FIM per hectare at the time of last harrowing or at the time of preparation of land. And fertilizer dose is given, which is recommended by different university, government university, that is 100 as to 50 as to 50 NPK kg per hectare. Then irrigation. Carrot grown on well retentive of soil moisture needs less water. It needs frequent irrigation during germination and vegetative growth, which gives more yield. Irrigation frequency should be reduced on month before the harvesting due to date of harvesting. That is, irrigation is almost stopped 15 to 20 days before harvesting, which helps increasing sweetness. Excessive irrigation induces adventitive roots, which can impact root quality. Means we give irrigation frequently, but just before the harvesting we stop irrigation 15 to 20 days. It helps to increase the sweetness in a carrot root. Then if you give excess irrigation, the carrot root induce adventitious root, which is impact their quality or not more price in a market. That reason we give irrigation frequently. The next important point is a harvesting and yield of carrot. On an average yield is or on an average 120 or 140 days is required for harvesting of carrot crop. Then this means DAS means day after sowing, that is 120 to 140 days required, and after sowing they are ready for harvesting. First important point of harvesting, the harvesting of carrot at proper stage of maturity. It is essential to fetch good price in a market. Delay in harvesting deteriorates the quality of the roots and become unfit for consumption. Every variety has certain period for harvesting. Delay in harvesting result in splitting of root. The next one, next important point is harvesting is done manually. Give light irrigation before harvesting to facilitate easy pulling of root without damage. Just before harvesting we give light irrigation, which help to easy pulling of radish root. In heavy soil, roots are removed from soil by digging. After harvesting, roots can wash, clean, graded and tied in a bunches. Means after harvesting in heavy soil, the carrot roots are dig out and wash clean in a water and pack in a or tied in a small bunches. On an average of tropical carrot yield is a 150 to 250 quintal per hectare. Some physiological disorders of carrot. First is a important physiological disorder, that is forking. Carrots form multiply roots, that is called as fork. When damage to the primary root cores, forking is associated with rocky, stony or heavy soil. Use of undecomposed manure. Carrot fly damage can also cause the problem. Deep digging, the addition of compost and pest control will help to reduce the forking in a carrot. Carrot forking, it is more important disorder. Sometimes maximum times asked in a exam. Fork means multiple roots. We see here image, that is forking means multiple roots. It due to the rocky soil, stony soil or heavy soil, or also if you add undecomposed FIM in the soil. Sometimes carrot fly damage of the root, that reason we create this problem forking in a carrot. Then second way is cavity spot due to the calcium deficiency. Calcium deficiency, cavity spots occur in a carrot. Thank you for watching this video.